Across modern homes, comfort is no longer a luxury. It's a necessity. A home lift should feel effortless, intuitive, and reliable every day. Nibav Home Lifts are designed to fit seamlessly, without major civil work. Engineered with safety at its core, every ride feels smooth and stable. The panoramic glass design enhances openness while elevating the home's aesthetics. More than movement, it delivers comfort, independence, and peace of mind. Every Nibav home lift is custom-built, tailored to the home, the space, and the people who use it. Integrated safety systems and precision engineering ensure a secure, stable, and reliable ride. More than vertical movement, it delivers comfort, independence, and peace of mind within the home. Trusted by families across homes, Nibav continues to redefine everyday living.